Today, I'm going to be opening 2 packs on Pokemon TCGO. We have a Legendary Treasure on a Wise Full Trade, and Rolling Skies. Genesect artwork and a Rayquaza. Which one to go first? Let's do Rayquaza first. Oh, it loaded so quickly. Did you see that? I saw it real nicely. And our rare is... Oh, rare is... Oh, damn. It's new? I didn't get this... Oh, my God. What's this nonsense? Oh, hopefully we get, like, at least, like, an EX. That'd be amazing. Don't tell me to be stuck at 100. %? 100%. What's wrong? So how have you guys been? I've been doing good. Really good. If this will only load. Oh, finally. Better give me an EX or something, because that took forever. With the actual 4, the number. And our rare is a Mesmingus, and our rare is a full art Reshiram. I already got that card. That's sad. It has Outrage for 2 colorless, and Blue Flare, which is 2 fire and 1 colorless. Which discard 2 fire energies. I guess that's okay. It's not an EX, it's just Reshiram. It's just a full art, not EX. So, see you next time. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you have a good time. Please comment if you like it. Please like and subscribe, and see you on next time. Goodbye.